Real estate investment options. There are different ways of real estate investing for investors who believe they need to invest into real estate in the near future. And there is absolutely no reason stopping you from following one or two of those. Millionaires globally speak highly of real estate investing as a quick avenue of amassing wealth. However, real estate is a highly rewarding business venture, but it is also noteworthy very risky. To go about the mess in real estate, you need stable income-generating methods to secure a diverse financially stable future. All the available different avenues of real estate investing too have different risks. Number 1. Commercial real estate. The first place to look into is commercial real estate. Compared to other forms of real estate investing, this is a much more secure real estate. The big challenge with getting started here is the huge amount of investment capital required. It is only an option worth considering after accumulating some wealth through other investments beforehand. This way, as a real estate investor with an already stable financial portfolio, you will have enough money to risk in commercial real estate. It takes a while for businesses to build a relationship with customers enough to make profits. This makes businesses want to last a little longer in one location. The businesses then resort to getting into a long-term lease agreement with the investor. This way, commercial real estate investment then becomes a stable business venture in itself. Number 2. House flipping. A large number of investors have cited an opportunity present in house flipping in the way money is spent and made very quickly in insane amounts. This has made it a much more preferred approach in real estate investing. Getting involved in this comes with a warning tag though. It is a highly rewarding investment resulting from a high-risk bet. It is for you if you have got the skill to turn something ordinary into something extraordinary. But that is not at all. It involves luck too. That is to say, the event that happens when opportunity meets preparation. You will decide if you are lucky enough and skilled enough to get your hands around house flipping. Number 3. Residential rental properties. The life of a landlord may not be as glamorous as that of an investor in possession of powerful apartments giving a city its glitters, or even that of the house-flipping investor making lots of money instantly. It is quite a comfortable investment. To put it clearly, for investors who would like to play safe, residential rental properties is where to look into. It is through this that one is able to pave a way towards a more sane and less stressful retirement, giving you just enough time to reminisce on the good old days. It might only take you longer than usual to break even, but investing in rental properties can be very rewarding long-term. Number 4. Pre-construction real estate. Pre-construction is about identifying a potential gap in a market in terms of an alarming demand for real estate and then solving the problem resulting from such a demand. The risks involved in house flipping do not outmatch the ones in pre-construction, however, especially as it has become more desirable nowadays and the popularity pre-construction has gained has made it very competitive. All an investor has to do is to identify the right property in the right location and at the right time too. This might be in a scenario such as the one in which one gets into a fast-growing town or city in an already serious housing shortage, or yet to be in a shortage. It is during an opportunity like this that an investor is in the position of making large sums of money for herself or himself. Number 5. Lease or rent-to-own purchases. This is in many ways an investor's better alternative to rental real estate. Here better profits are realized. The renters who hope to own their homes are more inclined towards paying up consistently and take great care of the buildings too. This is not always the case with people who are just renting. When charging for the rent, a little more is charged on top of the rent to cater for the down payment or the price for buying the home. Through this way, you will be helping out people with a burning desire to own a home. Whenever a renter decides to shift elsewhere for some reason before the purchase is completed, you are left with very minor repairs to carry out before another renter occupies the home. Real estate is the most highly recommendable investment for gaining financial independence. The choice you make on where you will start from will determine your ultimate success in this very lucrative business opportunity. All you will need to have in mind is the real estate market has highs and lows. You ought to spread yourself out through diversifying your investments into different forms of real estate to get yourself a place on the safe side. Thank you for watching until the end. Hoping you found this valuable, subscribe to our channel in order to not miss out on our next uploads. See you in the next video.